One morning, Sammy found a tiny seed lying on the ground. "What's this?" he wondered, picking it up. His grandma smiled and said, "That's a magic seed, Sammy. If you take care of it, it will grow into something special." Excited, Sammy planted the seed in a small pot. Every day, he watered it, sang to it, and made sure it got sunlight. But after a week, nothing happened. "Grandma, my seed is broken." Sammy pouted. "Patience, little one," Grandma said. "Good things take time." Sammy kept waiting. One day, a tiny green sprout peeked out. "It's alive," Sammy cheered. He cared for it even more, watering it gently and protecting it from wind. Weeks passed, and the sprout grew into a beautiful sunflower. Bees buzzed around it, birds chirped nearby, and Sammy danced with joy. "See," Grandma said, "when you're patient and never give up, wonderful things happen." Moral of the story: patience and care make dreams grow.